Space, the final frontier. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars with wonder, dreaming of exploring the vast cosmos beyond Earth. Today, those dreams are becoming reality. We stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, driven by groundbreaking missions like NASA's Artemis program, the ambitious vision of colonizing Mars, and the rapid rise of private space travel. But what does the future hold for humanity's journey beyond our planet? Let's dive into the possibilities, challenges, and implications of this next giant leap. NASA's Artemis program, returning to the moon and beyond. In the 1960s, the Apollo program captivated the world, landing humans on the moon for the first time. Now, NASA is set to reignite that excitement with the Artemis program. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis aims not just to return humans to the moon, but to do so sustainably. The program has ambitious goals. 1. Land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon. 2. Establish a permanent lunar base by the end of the decade. 3. Prepare for human missions to Mars. At the heart of Artemis is the powerful Space Launch System, SLS, the most advanced rocket NASA has ever built. Together with the Orion spacecraft, it will carry astronauts farther than ever before. Artemis 1, an uncrewed mission, successfully tested the technology. Artemis 2 will send astronauts around the moon, and Artemis 3 will land humans on the lunar surface. Why return to the moon? Unlike the Apollo missions, Artemis isn't just about short visits. It's about long-term exploration. The moon will serve as a proving ground, a place to test new technologies like in situ resource utilization, which means using the moon's resources to produce water, oxygen, and even fuel. The lessons learned will be critical for the next step, Mars. Mars colonization, humanity's next home. Mars has long captured the human imagination. It's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system, and it offers a tantalizing opportunity. Could we turn it into humanity's second home? Colonizing Mars is one of the most ambitious goals humanity has ever pursued, and leading the charge is SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk. His vision? To establish a self-sustaining city on Mars with a population of 1 million people by the end of this century. The key to this vision is the Starship rocket, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry large numbers of people and cargo to the Red Planet. But why Mars? 1. Survival of the species. Expanding to another planet could ensure the survival of humanity in the face of global catastrophes on Earth. 2. Scientific discovery. Mars could hold clues to the origins of life and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. 3. Technological innovation. The challenges of colonizing Mars will drive technological advancements that could benefit life on Earth. However, the challenges are immense. Mars has a thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, and no breathable air. To survive, humans will need to build habitats that protect against radiation, grow food in controlled environments, and generate water and oxygen from the Martian soil. It's a daunting task, but one that humanity is increasingly prepared to tackle. Private space travel, the new space race. While government space agencies like NASA have led space exploration for decades, a new player has entered the arena, the private sector. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are revolutionizing space travel, making it more accessible and affordable than ever before. Private space travel is no longer the stuff of science fiction. In recent years, we've seen the following. Space tourism. In 2021, both Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic launched private citizens into space, offering suborbital flights that provide a few minutes of weightlessness and a stunning view of Earth. Orbital missions. SpaceX's Inspiration 4 mission sent a crew of non-professional astronauts into orbit, marking the first all-civilian spaceflight. Commercial partnerships. NASA has partnered with private companies to deliver cargo and soon astronauts to the International Space Station ISS via SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft. What's driving this new space race? 1. Economic opportunity. Space tourism, asteroid mining, and satellite deployment represent multi-billion-dollar markets. 2. Innovation. Private companies often move faster than government agencies, driving rapid technological advancements. 3. Visionary leadership. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are driven by a passion for space exploration and the dream of making humanity a multi-planetary species. The challenges ahead. Despite the excitement, the future of space exploration is not without its challenges. Space travel remains incredibly expensive, and developing the infrastructure for lunar bases or Mars colonies will require trillions of dollars. Safety. Space is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Ensuring the safety of astronauts and space tourists is paramount. Ethics and governance. As private companies push the boundaries of space exploration, questions arise about who owns space, how resources should be shared, and how to protect extraterrestrial environments from contamination. In conclusion, we are at the dawn of a new space age. The Artemis program promises to take humanity back to the moon and beyond. Mars colonization offers the dream of a second home, and private space travel is making the cosmos more accessible than ever before. The road ahead will be filled with challenges, but it will also be filled with wonder and discovery. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, we are reminded of the words of Carl Sagan. Exploration is in our nature. We began as wanderers, and we are wanderers still. The future of space exploration is not just about technology or science. It's about the enduring human spirit, our curiosity, and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Together, we are taking the next giant leap into the cosmos. Watch more content in science, philosophy, and psychology on Knowledge tab. Stay curious. Stay inspired.